Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis or make your fingers bigger. It's just gas bubbles collapsing in the fluid that cushions your joints. When you pull or bend your fingers, you create negative pressure inside the joint, which makes the gas form tiny bubbles. These bubbles then collapse, creating the sound. Scientists have studied this phenomenon with MRI scans and mathematical models. They found that the sound is caused by the partial collapse of the bubbles, not their formation. And it takes about 20 minutes for the bubbles to fully collapse, which is why you can't crack your knuckles again right away. Cracking your knuckles is not harmful in moderation, but it could hurt you if you do it too hard or too often. You could injure your ligaments or dislocate your fingers. You could also wear away the cartilage in your joints and cause inflammation or pain. So, if you like cracking your knuckles and it doesn't bother anyone, go ahead and pop away.